here's the big Mr. Welcome back, Good Life podcaster. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the real yellow bone. There's not any other bone. This is the real one. Hello. How are you?
Good of you, Javo. Thank you.
I'm okay. Welcome to Good Life podcast.
Thank you.
How do you feel?
Good. Excited.
Yes. Great.
Yes.
Excited. I see spices, I see chicken, I see trophy. I think we should start with the trophy.
The trophy. Great. Yeah. Okay, so we are very excited to join you guys and your soccer teams on the 9th of November. So we're going to be there the whole day. We are sponsoring this trophy to the winning team. We also have some medallions that we're going to be giving out because everybody's a winner at the end of the day, right?
Yeah.
So we have gold, silver, and bronze.
So I like the partnership that it says where it all started. You are also investing in the
absolutely
ground level because some kids, they don't know how special they are up until someone realizes that you are extra special. You should be not working in big safe. Sorry, boss, but I'm taking out talent. I'm not saying people must not work for big things, but you have a very good talent and they can spot it there. So when you guys are coming and investing in that, that's wonderful. That's huge.
Yeah, we love that, and we love that Big Save has given us the opportunity to come out and join you guys outside of the workplace, you know, because for us, our customers are not just a customer, they're not just a number, you know, they're family.
Yeah.
Without you, we are nothing. We're not around. So, you know, we like to get on the ground and we like to get involved, and this was just an opportunity that you guys have given us, so we grabbed it, and here we are.
And I see a beautiful competition that's are so wonderful. What can you say about those competitions? Because that's big.
Right, yes,
Huge.
yes. So what we're doing currently for the month of October, we're giving away 1,500 Rand shopping voucher to one of the stores where you buy Umshini and you take a picture of the Umshini, the till slip, and post it on the social media page, which is ours, Copcast. And we will do a draw at the end of October. Then we're going to run the same competition for November, and we will do another draw at the end of November. Then we run a big one, which is running from now until December, where we will pay 3,000 Rand towards your lay-by.
Oh, 3,000 Rand towards your lay-by. 3 guys who can give you 3,000 Rand in nowadays.
And it's also a nice Christmas present, right? It's extra 3,000 Rand.
2 spices.
Yeah, you know, so you have an extra 3,000 Rand to buy some presents for the kids or some extra food, whatever you want to do with that, right? So as long as your lay-by is older than from the date we started.
Yes. As I said, guys, we're going back there, June, July, back. We're not going to be interested too much on September and October. We want to go back. Yes. So be at the lookout for that one. Yes. No, thank you so much, and we appreciate your support and for you to be part of us. We are part of the community, and what we strive in as Big Save is the community. So welcome to the community. Welcome to the family. We'll be making chicken.
Yes.
I'm making wings, you making gizzard. Let's get into it. So tell me, Helen, what do you usually do when you are having a bride at your house?
So normally it's pretty simple. You know, we stick to some rashes, some chops, if I feel like spoiling myself, but definitely chicken.
Okay.
You know, chicken is affordable and it's really good.
I heard that you guys, South Africans, you eat too much chicken.
I love chicken.
You love chicken.
I love chicken, any kind of chicken.
So is that your favorite too?
You know what's my favorite though? My favorite is chicken necks.
Okay, okay.
When I'm at home, I love to buy a pack of chicken
So
necks.
you are a Cassie lady.
I'm a Cassie lady.
I can see that. I can see it.
And I'll spice it up and I'll fry it.
Yeah.
And then I'll sit on my couch and watch a movie and I will eat it bone by bone till my lips are raw.
Do you know what they call those things?
What is it called?
The Cassie necks and the pizza and what?
No,
Anna.
Anna.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I've learned something. Thank you.
Because every last three letters
Yeah?
is Anna.
Okay.
Modwana, Dikilana.
Okay. Interesting. Well, I love Anna. I love Anna. So we're just going to use our Umshini
Okay.
spice and just sprinkle it over my giblets. Just give it a good twirl so that it gets in everywhere.
In oil also.
Yeah.
Just do machine only.
You can do it as you please.
Oh.
So you can do it just with Umshini. You can add some onions into it, some chili, some spinach, whatever you feel like doing, you can add it.
I
So
think they put them on the
skewers, yes, that's great if you're selling on the streets. But if you're at home, kids are hungry,
Yeah.
it's not dinner time, quick snack
It's like that.
just to keep them quiet, give you some peace. So just a quick little sprinkle, and then they're ready to go in the pan to be fried.
Wow. So I'm learning. I don't know. I will see how it comes out, but I'm learning. My friend there said to me, I must not do too much or do what. So I hope I'm not doing what I was not taught. So
I think it's to whatever your taste is.
yeah. Thank you so much.
It's whatever your taste is. Everybody's tastes are different, right?
Yeah. All right. And then any plans for the year? The year is finished.
Well, I think we're all
Going
coming.
somewhere?
I am actually in December. We close.
Okay.
So I'm going kayaking down the Orange River for 3 days.
Oh, no.
Getting away, out in nature.
Yeah.
So I'm looking forward to that little break. And you?
I would love to go home to KZN, but ish. You know when you go there, we say in Kasital, for the watching, you must
Pump it up.
pump it up. Every single corner you turn 5 rand, 10 rand. So, you can't go there. And you know that you don't have those things because
Yeah.
they want money.
Of course.
They want money.
Of course.
And when they know that you're coming from Joburg, can't tell them that you don't have money. So I usually, when I usually go home, I will take all the 10 rands and I will make coins.
Okay.
So I know that
Clever.
all these kids will be looking for 5 rand, 2 rand, 5 rand, 2 rand. And
That's clever.
so you
That's clever.
to jail.
Yeah. Coming from the city of gold, eh?
Yeah, and so but I'll see.
Okay.
So is that your preferred destination, or is this year your destination?
No, so every year I like to do something different.
Okay.
It's like I plan my holiday in January already for December.
Oh.
So I've got the whole year to save. Looking good already, and you've just put it in.
I think I must turn it down a bit.
Yeah.
Because now it's making fire. So you plan ahead.
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
I do. Because, I also want the 5 rand, 2 rand in December,
Are you usually, how can I call this, a family visitor, or you just go and come maybe Christmas night?
No, so normally what I'll do is I'll split my holiday in two.
Okay.
The first half will be with family, and the second half will be with friends.
Oh.
Yeah, or other way around, depending on what everybody's plans is.
Okay.
Last year, went away with friends down to George.
Okay.
That was amazing.
All right.
Yeah, and this year, like, I'm not a camper at all. But we'll be sleeping in a tent along the river. So it's something totally.
Don't be there.
Yeah.
Sleeping on the tent.
I know, right? But it's about trying new things, right? Right? So I'll tell you next year what it was like.
Not for me. You have to give me an AK-47 to sleep there. That's what we don't like that.
No, I'm trusting the guides, right? They're not going to put me in a dangerous situation. I'm going with that mindset.
Yeah. On the other side, though, I just want to say thank you so much for partnering with us, Vincent, and thank you for sponsoring the top 8. And I hope that we grow bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Then the more we grow, the more I hope you guys will do more for us, the Shake-Up tournament, because I think this partnership is going far.
Yeah.
Far. On behalf of all the guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for the support.
No, look, I think you said it there, the partnership.
Yeah.
You know, I want to thank also the stores that have allowed us in their doors with our product.
And we wish the other stores can accept Umshini spice. Please, when you see this, put an order.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
No, I'm going to make some space for your diesel.
Okay.
I just want to see how you are going to do it. Because I've already put down the heat, but I can see still
A little too spicy, yeah?
Yeah. But
Cheeky.
let me open up a space.
Okay. So this is pretty simple. It's all spiced up a little. You can put as much spice as you want or don't want. And then we just fry it up. What you could, yeah. What you could also do, which is really nice, is soak the gizzards in egg, and then put the spice in flour. That's all. And then from the egg, you put it into the flour with the spice, mixes and gives you that crispy, crummy effect while you're frying it.
Oh, nice. Right, on that note, Sabu. Yeah.
What is out. Primo! Pata! Amena! Hey! This is it! Off! Big save! Hey, from Benny, let's go! Big save! Shredder Potter! Big save!
Mr. Big, Mr. Nickel, Mr. Chick, Mr. Guys, Umshini spice available at Big Saver Mobile Party, the Big Saver, Amaswell, and a Big Saver Mobile Lord. And don't forget, there is a competition. Go to our social media platforms. And I did say, don't look for Umshini. Look for Copcast. That's where you're going to find Umshini Facebook page. Original, you're going to find it there. Remember, there is 1.5 gift voucher that you must win for this month. Go to our social media for more information. And also, good luck to everyone. Helen, let's close it.
Thanks, Jobble. Thanks for inviting us here today as well. So we've taken our gizzards out. You can see there's some nice color to it.
Oh, well. Brown.
Brown. That's good.
It's good.
Yeah.
That's good.
I love the flavor of Umshini. It's not overbearing, and it's not bland either.
Wow. Guys, behind the scenes, come. Now, you need to taste this thing. Come on. The chicken is killing me, guys. Till I meet you, we're gonna have one last episode to say Merry, happy, and Merry and Christmas. Look out for Umshini at the stores and the competition on the 9th. We are playing, guys.
Bye.